The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I just wanted to go over a few things today about Dynex and Kaspa. First of all, my buddy T Swift in my Discord gave me a link to a break-even calculator. He said it's fairly decent, not hugely accurate because it doesn't consider batch sizes, but not too many people know exactly how big these batches of ice rivers and Bitmain eventually are going to be coming out, but gives you a general idea of break even. A lot of people ask me questions about, hey, will I ROI on this in 2 months or 1 month? And I'm like, I really don't know, guys. Nobody knows for sure. I mean, everybody can guess, but anyway, this is a calculator he gave to me, and I tried it last night on the KS3L that I ordered from him. I haven't got it yet, but hopefully it'll show up sometime this week. So I put in like my machine costs, how many terahash per second, the wattage that's expected. If you go in my Discord, some other stuff from T Swift, he shows his amperage and voltage usage, so you can calculate wattage approximately. I put 2800 because I'm gonna run my fans probably a little higher than him because my garage is really hot in Florida. Just 10 cents. Put in whatever yours is. This hash rate increase per day, not really sure how this is calculated, but I mean, I just left it alone. Network hash rate last night, it was 4250, but it's now Kaspa difficulty is up to 4.8. So on my Discord, I posted what I found last night. Now the difficulty is up to 4.8, but you know, it goes up and down, guys. It's up and down. So anyway, for now, I left it at 4250 because I already calculated it. Price of Kaspa still about 5 cents right now, guys. So that's pretty good news too. Yeah, still 5 cents. What was it up to at one point? Dang, 0.05160. Nice. All right, so the calculator is telling me, since I calculated it last night, that my break even would be September 7th. So that gives me a 1 month ROI on the KS3L if nothing else changes, but we all know it will, right, guys? We know that network difficulty is going way up. So anyway, that's just some interesting stuff that T Swift posted in my Discord. Thanks, T Swift. And so next, I wanted to talk about Dynex a little bit. So Dynex, the charts between Dynex and Kaspa kind of look similar, actually. Sterling Spectre, my buddy Sterling Spectre, interviewed me a couple days ago, and we did talk about Dynex and Kaspa, and we both kind of agreed the charts kind of look similar. Like, look at this, like upward trend and a couple of dips here, and then it's peaked. You know, there it's like upward trend, little dip here, peak. So they kind of look similar. They're proof of work, and they're doing well. My other buddy Red Panda posted this on Twitter yesterday. Proof of work for the win. Ethereum is missing out hard. Look at the year-to-date increase. Ethereum 52%, nice gain, right? Look at Kaspa. Look at Dynex, 870% increase year-to-date. Dynex, 2,700% increase year-to-date. That's nuts. I remember when I was I did a video. It was just for fun. I threw a dart at the dartboard to try and figure out which algorithm to mine. Then I did a deep dive on all the projects that I was interested in. One of them was Dynex, the other was Kaspa. Obviously, I love Kaspa. Ironfish and Ergo. I love all these projects. These are my favorite projects right now. Ironfish wasn't quite the fair launch, and it's not doing too well. The price is tanked. I think it was $8 or something when it started, and it wasn't quite the clean project to start with. And the price is down to, I think it was like 80 cents last I checked. Sorry, I didn't pull the chart up on that one. But it's not doing as well as these other, well, at least these two anyway. These are new projects, obviously. I love Ergo still. So anyway, check out this video. I compare each of these algorithms, Kaspa, Dynex, Ergo, Ironfish, and Dynex. I came to the conclusion it's efficient, it's GPU friendly, it's a bear market, it's tough to find coins that are doing well, and Kaspa's on ASICs now, as you can see from my other videos if you watched any of them. Ironfish is on FPGAs now. I do have my FPGAs on Ironfish. Dynex is resistant to ASICs and FPGAs, and it is pumping. So Kaspa and Dynex are pumping, but right now, I'm sorry, Ergo, I love you still. I love you. But Dynex right now is kicking butt. So all my GPUs are on Dynex. here's another tip that I wanted to give you guys about mining Dynex. Check this video out, please, if you'd like. It's only got 152 views, but I think it's pretty good. It goes into each of these projects, and do a little bit of a deeper dive on each of these projects. And if, at the very end, Dynex was the winner. So, sorry, let me bounce back to what I was talking about. I was having trouble getting my rigs back on Dynex, and I was doing everything I normally would do in Hive OS. I reached out for some help from like the DeepMinerz guys. Go check out their pool. DeepMinerz are great. My buddy Fully Electric, I was chatting back and forth with him about it as well. But if you go to the Discord in for DeepMinerz or for Dynex, I'm sorry, they're very helpful there too. These guys helped me out. I was posting that I was having some trouble. It's deeper down the line now. I was posting that I was having some trouble with it, and a few guys reached out to help me. They said it could have been multiple things, but it turned out to be my router was just kind of blocking the algorithm. This guy says, Newton's third law, thanks for the help, buddy. A lot of other people helped me too. Said, same thing happened to me with TP-Link decos, and I actually have a TP-Link deco up in my upstairs where I test my rigs. I never had any trouble with any other algorithm but Dynex. Dynex doesn't like these, and I had to go in and change some settings in my routers to get it to work. Had to allow malab and pool address to router, had the same issue with phone and Varus. CC miner flag, just about everything. Once again, the TP-Link had it blocked and labeled as malicious. So if you guys are having trouble, I've seen other people mention that they're having trouble mining Dynex. If you're having trouble with it, if it's just not showing up, I wasn't showing up in the pool, it could be because your router is blocking it or some network issue. That's what mine turned out to be. I took my GPU rigs to my other location and it worked perfectly fine. Plugged it in, hooked up to DeepMinerz pool, boom, off and running. So if you guys are having trouble, I've seen people say they're having trouble, check your network. You might need to change some settings in your router. So if you would like, join my Discord. I'll put a link in the description. Got some helpful people in my Discord and others as well. And hopefully you guys are doing well with your mining journey. I'm pretty excited that I picked these two projects, Kaspa and Dynex, and as my main two that I've gone into. Like I said, I've been mining Ironfish too, but I don't know. I just got a good feeling right now about Kaspa and Dynex. Not financial advice. Nothing I ever say is financial advice, but these are the two projects that I've picked, and they have done very well this year. Like Red Panda said, Dynex 2,700% increase, Kaspa 870% increase. Very exciting time for proof of work coins at this moment. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well with your picks, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting the notification bell to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.